Hey guys, got a quick video on it's a Honda Accord 2012. Same concept on most cars, just to give a little basic idea of why heat's not working. So this one, if you put it all the way to cold, the AC kicks on, very good air. After this mode, barely any difference at all, like barely. So the first step, whenever you check a heater problem, is always the number one thing is you have to make sure the coolant level is fine. Already check the coolant level. Make sure do not check just the reservoir, check the radiator tap. Or if you have an expansion tank, the radiator or the expansion tap, they both have to be full. If the coolant is low, you need to top that off first. And if it's too low, then make sure you don't have any coolant leaks or overheating issues. Coolant leaks could be from any hoses, radiator, water pump, heater hoses, anything like that. This one, the coolant level was fine, so already started it, let it run. Next step, we have to let it get to operating temperature. So it's almost at operating temperature. You can check both the hoses. The top is hot, the bottom is hot as well. That means the thermostat is open. So next step, we'll be checking the heater hoses. These are the heater hoses. They're usually by the firewall right over here. It could be on either side. Check both the hoses. Both of them should be hot, just like the radiator hoses. And this one, both of them are hot. If one is hot, one is cold, that means the heater core is clogged up. If both of them are cold, that means the thermostat has not opened or there's a blockage in the lines. In this case, the top and the bottom both have the same temperature. That means there's hot air going in, hot coolant going inside the dash. Heater core is circulating. So next step is we're gonna check the blend door actuator. So there's a door inside the dash that on this one is a very simple one. It's on the driver's side by the footwell. So you see this motor over here. It's called the blend door actuator. There's a door inside the dash that opens for hot and cold. And this motor works with the switch. When you tell it to go to cold or hot, it turns. So this one, I'm gonna try to turn this knob right over here, the hot and cold one. This one, to see if it turns. So I'm turning it all the way to cold. Nothing. Turning all the way to hot. Nothing. So you should be able to see this moving. In most cars you won't be able to, and this car is pretty clear. So the next step is to check if it's got power coming to it or not. I'm gonna do just a simple test on it. I'm gonna try to bang on it and see if it starts working. Don't hit too hard. Just a little tapping should be enough. So now I'm gonna try to turn it again. And it started working. I'm all the way to cold. Now I'm all the way to hot. Alright, so you can see the motor working, the actuator working. That means the actuator was faulty. It's just the motor is just old. You tap on it, it's going to temporarily work, and eventually it's going to stop working again. So you have to replace it. I would recommend using original equipment Honda, because aftermarket ones have a lot of issues. And if for some reason the motor works and it does not turn still inside, the problem could be the actual door is broken. So now I can feel the hot air coming in. It's commanded all the way to the hot. I'm gonna go back to cold. And the cold air is coming. I'm gonna go one step further, check the thermostat, put a thermometer in there, go to American Fahrenheit. So right now it's at cold, AC on. Very good. air coming in. Now see, I can feel warm air coming in. Right around 79 and it changed to 80 at mid. And if I go all the way to hot, so it's working fine. So the problem is the door lock actuator. I'm going to replace that because if I leave it as is, eventually it's going to go out again and the same thing's going to happen again. And just tapping it will not work every time. It's just like once or twice. After that, you have to replace it because it's going to completely stop working. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.